welcome back to my mukbang channel. Today I have a seafood boil for you guys. It's been a while since I've ordered from Kicking Crab. I got this at the Kicking Crab on Westminster Boulevard and Golden West, which happens to be my favorite one because they just always get the seasoning right. Today we have 2 pounds of crawfish with an extra pound because it's frozen season. So they give you half a pound when the seafood or the crawfish is not in season. And then I have a pound of mussels, a pound of king crab, which I guess turns out to be 3 legs, and then 1 piece of corn, 3 potatoes, and 6 sausages. We also have a side of steamed white rice, some ginger ale so I can get my burping going, and then we have 3 mini cucumbers here that I got from John's, and some utensils. So we're gonna get going because your girl is hungry. Okay, I always have to start off with my rice and sausage. Oh, the flavor I got is Kickin' Style Medium. So yes, sausage, first bite. Mmm. 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 So good. I just dip my cucumbers in here. I love cucumber with seafood. Wow. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna have a mussel. I love the mussels at Kicking Crab because they're so big. Mmm. I wish you guys were here. I mean, I say that in every video, but it's so good. Mmm. Seasoning just right. We have some crawfish. I've been making my own seafood boils at home, so I haven't been ordering, and it's been a while since I've done this. I'm very excited to do more seafood boils at home and show you guys how to make my sauce. I love my butter sauce. The reason that I don't have my sauce today is because this is already seasoned. Oh, these are actually really big for being frozen. Mmm. Suck it out. I love crawfish. Mmm. So much flavor. Mmm. This one has eggs. Oh my gosh. Look at all those eggs. Mmm. Such a good delicacy. I've been really enjoying posting mukbangs, and I'm so happy that you guys are loving them. And I'm glad that I now just have a separate channel where we can just like, that was messy. Oh my gosh. We can just do food. My finger was having a little problem there. I've been getting so many messages from you guys on Instagram of like Instagram stories of you guys eating at Kick and Crab. It makes me so happy. Wow, these are big. Ooh. Let's try a potato, y'all. Delicious. Nothing makes me happier than this meal right here. And we got some rice here. And then we put a mussel on top. Some cucumber. The cucumber gives it this like really fresh taste. I don't know how to explain it. It's so good. Oh. Also, I definitely want to do a fried lobster mukbang next week. I think that's going to be so much fun. Let's dig into some king crab. Time to get all of my hands dirty. Oh, that's nice. They cut it for you. Get all that meat out. Woo. Aren't these small compared to the Costco ones that I ate last time? I think that was on my main channel. A lot of people wonder why I gotta have cucumber. You'll know once you try. Oh my god, sad news. My brother is on vacation. So I gotta try to finish this because I don't got anybody else to give it to. You gotta get your hands dirty when you eat this stuff. Woo! I love seafood, y'all. You can even use the mussels as a spoon. See, you just scoop it up. Ah. Where did this come from? Let me know what you guys think about ASMR videos. I really am into ASMR food videos. I did that king crab one the other day. I've been reading mixed reviews. Some people love them, some people hate them. I like them. I think they're relaxing. Woo. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. These mussels are bomb. Mm. Oh my gosh, you guys. Mmm. Mmm. I'm living my best life. These are big crawfish for not being in season. They're ginormous. Ooh. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. The thing with crawfish is like, you can eat a lot, and it's gonna take you forever to get full. Oof. Mmm. Mussel. Mmm. The most perfect combination. Mm-mm-mm. I can't believe, random thought, I can't believe it's October already. My birthday is in 7 days. I just feel like I just celebrated my 24th birthday, and now it's already my 25th. Time flies. I feel like you get to a certain age and it's just like boom, boom, boom. Like it flies so fast. And I feel like it's that age after high school. College flies by. It just feels like the next thing you know, you look back and you're like, what? Like I graduated high school almost 7 years ago. What? That's so weird to me. It feels like high school was yesterday. Time flies by, so you gotta make the most of every moment, you guys. Such an important lesson in life. Be happy. Make the most of every moment. Do not dwell over the little things. Don't have petty fights with people. Love people. Tell them you love them. Life is truly too short. Focus on positivity and what's important, you know? Because next thing you know, you'll be like a grandma or grandpa telling your grandchildren to live their life to the fullest. And you know what? Live your life the way you want to live your life. I think that's really important too. There's really no timeline for anything. Everybody has their own timeline. Like before, what I meant was like, you know, after you graduate high school, you go to college, and then maybe you start dating and having kids and, you know, buying a house or like moving out or whatever it may be. Typically, people give you that timeline of, you know, you gotta go to high school, you gotta go to college, you get married, you have kids, you buy a house. But at the end of the day, everybody's timeline is so different. So don't let the pressure of society or the pressure of seeing like your friends or what your brother or sister did, like don't let that affect you. Your journey is your own journey and you need to follow it, you know? Like, I'm gonna use my brother for an example. He had a really typical timeline. He did really well in high school. He was like top 5% of his class. He went to pharmacy school, got like all of his degrees. Then he settled down and like worked and like met his wife. They dated, they got married, they had kids. Now they're buying a house. And it's like, I mean, not everybody works out that way. It's okay if maybe you got pregnant before you got engaged, or you got pregnant before you got married, whatever it may be. I think the best thing in life is how you react to every obstacle or everything that happens to you. You just gotta face it, you know, and be determined and figure out what is best for you. Just because you did something differently in your life doesn't mean that you're wrong. Whew. I mean, it took me like 5 years to graduate college. Are you kidding me? Almost 6 years. When all my friends that I graduated high school with in 2012 were graduating in 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2016. Yeah, it took me almost 6 years. All of my friends I graduated high school with were graduating in 2015 or 2016. 4 years of college, you know, makes sense. I didn't graduate until 2018, but it took me a good amount of time to figure out what I wanted to do with my life. I wasted my time doing nursing for so long, you know? But at the end of the day, maybe wasted is like the wrong word, because in the end, because I went through all of that, like because I like was in a major I hated for 4 years and like I was scared to get out of it, it taught me how to be passionate and how to really appreciate being authentic and true to yourself. At the end of the day, you gotta be honest with yourself, you guys. You're gonna spend the rest of your life working, you might as well choose something that you freaking love. I just don't want anybody to ever feel the way that I used to feel, that I was wrong. Because we're never wrong. We're just all trying to figure out our place in this world. Oh my god, these are so bomb. So bomb. Sausage. Mmm.
So good.
Mmm. You might be wondering why the heck I'm not touching corn. I'm actually not in love with corn. I only crave it once in a blue moon, like really rarely. Rarely. Sounds weird. I'm not a corn person. I ran out of cucumber. Got all the mussels. Oh, another one. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh, that one's gone. Save the sausage for me boyfriend. He likes crawfish too. Carlos doesn't love seafood that much where he can join me in a seafood boil. Plus, I'm sure you guys appreciate me doing these alone because I see your comments. I like him to join me into like the other stuff. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. I wish I had more cucumber. Mmm. That's good. Okay, friends, I'm going to peel the rest of these crawfish and give them to Carlos because I know he doesn't want to get his hands dirty. Thank you so much for joining me tonight for dinner. I love having dinner with you guys. Make sure you leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next mukbang. I love you so much. Bye, my loves.